Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the Many Ratios canvas bundle in Photoshop. We're going to be working in this layers panel here. So if you don't see the layers panel, go to Window and then click on Layers to bring it up. And then you just want to find your desired canvas layout. So let's say you want to use a square canvas. You just click the box next to the 1:1 ratio square layer to turn that on, and then click the eye icon next to A4 portrait to turn that layer off, and then click the arrow in the square layer to expand the layer group, and then just double click the thumbnail icon in the design-canvas layer to open up the smart object. And now you just want to copy and paste your design. So we'll go to File, Open, and then find the design. And then go to Select All, and then Edit, Copy, and click back on the Smart Object tab, and then click Edit, Paste. You might need to resize this a little. I'm going to press Control- to zoom out. It would be Command- on a Mac. And then if you need to resize your art, just go to Edit, Free Transform. And I just want to click and drag any one of the four corners. In newer versions of Photoshop, you can just click and drag and it'll stay proportional. In older versions, you used to have to hold down the Shift key to keep it from getting distorted. So if you're resizing it and you see it getting distorted, just go to Edit, Undo, and then do the opposite of whatever you were doing, whether that's holding down the Shift key or not holding it down. And then when you're done resizing, you can just go to File, Save, to save the smart object. And then once it's saved, you can just click the X to close the smart object, and then close the original graphics. And your design will be on the canvas just like that. You can change the backgrounds. So to do that, just click the arrow next to the backgrounds layer, and then just click the eye icons and boxes next to each layer to toggle through the different layers. That's all there is to editing the Many Ratios canvas bundle in Photoshop. If you're going to be using this as a thumbnail online on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a JPEG. To do that, you can just go to File, Export As, and then JPEG. If you want to save a layered PSD with your design, you could go to File, and then Save As. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.